Hi students, greetings of the day. This video is meant to bring to your notice that a public interest litigation was filed in the Supreme Court on behalf of 987 CA aspirants from 20 states and 3 union territories for seeking several reliefs by Advocate Anubha Srivatsava Sahai. So in that, the petitioner has asked the ICAI to provide the opt-out facility and also give some relief to the students suffering from COVID and in other situations. So this is to bring to your kind notice that a public interest litigation has been filed. But you have to prepare your examinations with a mindset that the examinations are going to be conducted as per the schedule without any delay or postponement. And we are not against the conducting of the examination, and we are also not against the postponement of the examination. That will be decided by the situations in the country. If everything is under control, the examinations will be conducted as per the schedules. But you should take the examinations seriously and prepare well for the examinations without any delay and without any procrastination. So start your preparation, make your preparation very serious and write the examinations well. Thank you. And for more interesting updates, please subscribe to our Masterminds for CA and CMA YouTube channel. You can follow our Facebook and Instagram pages. Android users can download Masterminds online classes app, and you can pay and learn courses without any human intervention. And iOS users can download Class Plus app and enter our organization code MJGUN and start learning. And if you have any doubts regarding CA and CMA course, you can clarify all of your doubts from our academic director CA MSS Prakashar, whose email ID is provided in the description box of this video. Thank you.